Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be showing y'all how to fix some old corroded battery terminals. This is on a 2006 Ford Explorer, and so basically what happened is over the years, when several different battery changes, the terminals have just deteriorated. This one, it's broke completely in half, so you can't use this no more. And this one right here, it's almost gone too. So this one would tighten down, but obviously this one here will not tighten down because it's completely broke. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the positive battery cable. The way I'm going to fix these is I've got some replacement battery terminals from Amazon, these right here. Okay, then also got some wire connectors, or wire terminal connectors with the eye, and we have some wire terminal crimpers, big old honking thing. All right, so basically I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and start with the negative side. So we will be cutting, I think we're going to cut all this off. I can't get it all, but we'll have to just bite at it a little bit at a time. Yep, there we go. A little more, there we go, got that off. So, two separate wires, much easier to work with. Let's go ahead and get the one wire. Get the shrink wrap on there. Get it out of the way. Let's go ahead and put the other shrink wrap on the other wire. Just like that. And I think from the looks of it, may need to strip some more back. Let's see. Nah, that'll work. Put that one on there. Put this one on here on the other wire. And I think what I want to do when I put these on here, there's a certain way I want to go about doing this, because I want to put them together on this terminal right here. I'm going to put two of them together, so the way these lay, you're going to have one like such. I'm going to put that one like that, so I can put them just like that. Yep, you get the idea. So let's go ahead and crimp the first one. I've already set my crimper to AWG 4, so which is basically 4 gauge in standard terms. I'll stick it right inside that crimper, all up against one side, and we're going to easily come down without getting my finger caught in there, just like that. I'll make sure the wire's pushed up in there really good. Go ahead and easily crimp down a little more against myself here. Let's go up a little higher on this crimper. I don't want to get it right in the middle. Just like that. And then let's crimp. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, we're back. So I had a little bit of issue using my crimp tool, so we got that figured out. Let's go ahead and shrink wrap this puppy on here. Looks good. Yes, sir. Professional. Go ahead and cut that joker off. There it goes. Corrosion everywhere. One thing you want to remember is if you touch anything that's corroded, one thing that's bad for your skin. The other thing is don't touch your clothes or any other part of your body. All right, so let's just go ahead and get these. Before I forget them, I'll go ahead and get these shrink wraps on here. We're gonna do one of these at a time this time. Get them all in there. I don't think it's going nowhere. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and get this shrink wrap on here. Maybe that'll hold it on there. I don't know. No. Oh man. Alright, let's attach these battery terminals. See what we got. Gonna see what we got. Gonna see if this works. I'm either gonna be a hero or a zero. I don't know. Let's see if I was right on a 13. Yes, I was right on the 13. Hooray me. But now the one problem I do see, and I'm not too happy about it, is this battery cover may not work for what I need to do. I'm gonna see if I can tighten it up though like this. Maybe I can. We'll see what happens. She's tight. Ain't going nowhere, boys. That ain't going nowhere. Alright, so. And now I want to get these on here like such. Actually, I need to put this one on first. That's the way I wired it, like that. Just like that. And then we're going to cinch them down with a lock washer and a washer and a wing nut. Is it a wing nut? It's a wing nut. Let me get a pair of pliers so I can get that wing nut on there real good. At all. Bruh, that's on there tight. Yes. Don't over tighten it. It's locked on there. Let's see if we got some spark. Yeah, we got spark. Butamus. Butamus, butamus, butamus. Spark is good. Doing it all for you. It's all for you. That looks kind of hot, don't it? Let's see if this whole thing cranks. Now that we got this battery fixed. Let's get in here and crank this old Explorer up. Check it out. Watch this right here. There you go. Just like brand new. Just like brand new. Let's see here. Let's see what that V6 sounds like. Yeah. Purring like a kitten. Running like a sewing machine. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. And let me know what y'all think. Give me some comments. Is there a better way I could have made this repair? An easier way? A cheaper way? I don't know, but I do it the best way I know how. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one.